Welcome back to the channel. If you want to keep your home spotless and fresh, finding the best vacuum cleaner for carpet is essential. Let us begin. Product number 1. Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. First on our list is an incredible portable deep cleaner that ensures comprehensive coverage for both your carpets and upholstery. This model captures stunning results by utilizing a powerful suction mechanism, giving you impeccably clear floors and fabrics. It comes equipped with a highly advanced self-cleaning hose tool, allowing it to maintain maximum hygiene for your household surfaces. One of the primary highlights is its ultra-fast cleaning performance, enabling you to remove stubborn pet stains directly at impressive speeds. It features a built-in specialized tough stain tool to manage your precise cleaning routes seamlessly. For added convenience and security, it includes a premium cleaning formula and utilizes a robust lightweight design built to withstand extreme usage. With its wide cleaning capabilities and seamless stain removal, this setup ensures complete peace of mind for every single cleaning task you absolutely take inside your lovely home. Maintain a spotless environment with this powerful portable device every single day.
Product number 2. Bissell 2033M Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. Next up is a highly popular model that beautifully combines high performance with practical functionality for everyday household chores. This lightweight stick vacuum delivers crisp cleaning results from the main floor nozzle and incredibly sharp detailing from the included crevice tool. It utilizes an advanced bagless dirt cup combined with a multi-surface cleaning technology to guarantee balanced suction in any condition, whether vacuuming delicate area rugs or navigating completely dirty hard floors. Reviewing your dirt collection is exceptionally simple thanks to the integrated transparent dirt cup container, which lets you preview, manage, and empty crucial debris instantly. It provides continuous protection through multiple conversion modes, actively cleaning if an unexpected mess occurs while your vacuum is securely stationed. This amazing unit supports reliable corded power, automatically delivering consistent suction to prevent any annoying battery issues, while its durable shell offers excellent resistance for consistent operation on all your long daily cleaning trips.
Product number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff. Moving along, we have another premium upright option that gracefully elevates the user experience by incorporating a highly responsive lift-off canister and incredibly convenient tangle-free brush roll features. Capturing your entire household mess in brilliant high-efficiency resolution with an expansive floor view, it effortlessly records vital dirt details across multiple rooms of fast-moving traffic. The significantly enhanced sealed allergen system guarantees that your air remains crystal clear and perfectly breathable during late evening cleaning hours. Safety is always a primary focus with this advanced device, allowing you to use simple manual instructions for completely hassle-free operation, thereby drastically minimizing dangerous allergens while cleaning. The smart detachable pod makes it remarkably simple to clean stairs or adjust settings with a simple tap. It features an integrated specialized pet tool to provide traceable hair removal on your carpets. With an included high-capacity dirt tank, seamless continuous suction, and a sensitive brush roll, it delivers exceptional cleaning security.
Product number 4. Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Our next selection takes household cleaning to a unique level with a comprehensive upright system that meticulously monitors absolutely everything on your floors. This innovative device captures a complete wide-degree clean, vacuuming the front, rear, sides, and interior of your carpet simultaneously in incredibly clear high efficiency. It is an absolutely ideal solution for homeowners who want total dust elimination and complete carpet documentation. Managing your extensive cleaning routine is incredibly straightforward thanks to the built-in 5 height adjustment settings and a totally free extra-long crevice tool that allows you to safely clean tight spaces right from your hand. The system utilizes continuous corded power to manage energy very efficiently, seamlessly replacing old dirt when the dust cup is completely full. It also features a reliable cyclone filtration system that immediately locks critical dust particles during sudden vacuum movements, preserving essential hygiene. Powered by a high-performance motor, this unique vacuum runs smoothly in extreme messes.
Product number 5. Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner Navigator Liftaway. Finally, we have an exceptionally advanced upright vacuum system perfectly packed with cutting-edge liftaway capabilities and highly intelligent swivel steering features for maximum household cleanliness.
This powerful device safely captures true high-efficiency clarity from the main floor nozzle and incredibly clear detailing footage from the detachable pod, ensuring all pet hair and dust signs are perfectly removed. It strongly stands out by supporting true multi-surface cleaning, allowing you to vacuum thick carpets and track your hard floor's exact condition through your home even when you are very far away. The seamlessly integrated anti-allergen complete seal makes trapping large particles incredibly fast and very convenient. It features an enhanced brush roll shutoff with a wide cleaning path to safely capture beautifully balanced dirt in dark corners or heavy dusty weather. With reliable, continuous corded power, a highly responsive swivel steering mechanism, and an optimized extra-large dust cup, it consistently delivers exceptionally stable performance and long-term durability.
That concludes our comprehensive breakdown of the top options available on the market today. Make sure to check out the description below for links. Like and subscribe. See ya!